What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, everything going on is pretty crazy and I just wanted to say the more we stay inside and the more we don't go out with our friends, our family, the faster this will get over. And I'll go more into detail about how it's affecting us and the channel later, but let's get to the video. So if you guys seen my latest video, I did talk about how I did get into an accident with my IS300. I was still fighting the case when I recorded the video. Luckily, if you guys seen the comment that I posted on the video, I did win, so that's really good. And with that being said, I'm now able to fix my car. I told you guys I am not gonna go to a stock front end again. I am gonna be doing some crazy things. The first thing is replacing my messed up wheels. I wasn't planning this to be the first thing to fix because obviously my wheels are messed up, but I can still drive on them. But my buddy Tyler, if you guys don't know who he is, he's the guy with the sick G35. He did send me a picture of some wheels, and you guys obviously see the brand. He told me that he had a pair of wheels for sale, and these are one of my dream wheels, and I'm pretty sure it's one of the dream wheels of many of you guys watching this channel. They're just so iconic and so popular. You guys already know probably what I'm going to be saying. He did say he had a set of TE37'S and 17x9 plus 22, which is pretty close to my spec. These wheels and Blitz 03s are pretty much my top two favorite wheels of all time. These things are probably packaged better than how they came. I can't believe I'm gonna be unwrapping my first pair of real wheels. That's so crazy. You guys don't know how excited I am to finally put these on. It's just gonna look so sick. Oh shit! These things are so light. I'm honestly scared to put them on, dude. So these are the TE37'S, not the OGs. These are actually lighter. They don't even have a hubcap just to save weight. I was planning on taking these wheels to my work to actually mount the tires on, but being that they're real and that the new machine at my work is broken, what I might do is actually have my buddy mount it, which is so funny because me and Jeremiah are actually technicians at Toyota. I hate tires. He's actually pretty good at tires. Eden is a lube tech and this guy is a god at tires.
Give you the receipt because I know your ass is gonna lose them.
So Stephanie, I did send her to go pick me up some lug nuts. I was just telling them that these aren't going to work on the new wheels. You haven't seen them?
I know, where are they?
They're right here.
Oh shit. I just walked past by it.
I know. Pick them up. They're so light. Since I knew these wheels were going to come, I did order the impact socket set to protect the new wheels because these have little plastic around it.
Oh my god. So are these lighter than those?
Yeah.
Watch.
You drop some? With -5 degrees of camber, the tires don't wear out as long as you have your toe good. The rears are going to wear out faster because it's rear-wheel drive, but look at that. It's like no tire wear. The specs for these are 17x9 plus 12.
Ah, there you go.
They would fit perfect if I didn't have so much candies, but I'll probably add like a little 10mm spacer.
Wait, let me see.
Dude, that looks so good with the silver. We have these spline lug nuts that I'm probably going to be returning after I get my new ones, but we just needed to put them on for now because these obviously use the OEM style. These are way different.
So good.
They do
It looks good against the silver.
it barely clears the spindle. It's like so close. It looks so good with the 09 arms and the drop spindles. One thing that I might have to do is I might have to actually get the hub adapters because this is not sitting on the hub at all. You can see right here, it's actually outward. So I might have to do that. But I was actually gonna put it on just to see how it would tuck, but I really don't have to just because I am gonna be putting the tires on already. Ooh, the valve stems are so nice. All right, that's what you do. You start doing this.
No, you just say fuck it.
You're cleaning that. All right, here, just dump those on in here. So these stickers go right here, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna keep it so simple. After we were done putting on the tires, I went upstairs to take a shower. We had to eat. And now, instead of waiting till tomorrow, since we have light, we're gonna be trying the wheels on because I cannot wait because I'm so excited. Are they still light?
They're a little heavier.
It was funny because when my friend was helping me, he was so scared to do them. No one wants to mess them up. Oh, they look so good. Damn, dude, even lifted like that, it looks sick.
Looks so good.
Moment of truth, guys. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so nice.
Dude, it does.
Oh my god, dude. Hey, the fitment's still spot on.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't even have to get an. I don't have to adjust it or get an alignment. Dude, that looks so nice. These are real wheels.
Did you think you would have real wheels by now?
No, I did not think at all. It doesn't do it justice looking at it in the night though. Like, we definitely have to show you guys tomorrow when it's daylight. Isn't it crazy how just changing the wheels of a car changes the whole look of it? The first piece to the puzzle is finally done. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys earlier in the video. The wheels really came off as a surprise. I wasn't trying to buy TEs or any other type of wheel when fixing the car. I was actually just gonna buy the same wheels and just replace the ones that were damaged. The offer came up and I didn't want to wait to put them on before I put the kit on. So this was the first step to getting the car back up and way better than ever before. So with that being said, you guys seen that Martin wasn't here and it was actually Stephanie helping me out. The reason being is because with everything going on, me and Martin haven't seen each other. He lives about like 25 minutes away and we're just trying to prevent each other from getting sick because, like I told you guys before, social distancing is the best way to make this get over quick. There are still people going out. There are still people doing things that aren't necessarily essential, and that's what's causing the virus to spread way more. It's just reality. So we're doing our part, and of course it is affecting our channel. Martin's not going to be able to be here when I'm putting the whole front end on. With that being said, for all the G bros, I promise you guys, when the G videos start dropping again after all this is over, it's going to be nothing but sick content. We do have a new sponsor, the biggest sponsor we've ever gotten. It does involve more power. Putting two and two together, you guys should know that this is going to be pretty big and it's going to be so sick. So with everyone with a G, stick through it. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.